student, in last video we completed the chapter number 10, light, reflection and refraction. Today we are going to see new chapter, chapter number 11, the human eye and colorful world. Now first of all we see about the human eye. The construction of human eye is like an camera. The diameter of human eyeball is near about 2.3 centimeter. Consider the eye. The diameter of this eye is near about 2.3 centimeter. Which are the main parts of the eye? Eye is made up of, first part is cornea. After the cornea, that is the iris. Next part is pupil. Lens, ciliary muscles, cornea, iris, crystalline lens, ciliary muscles. Next one, retina. After the retina, optic nerves. After optic nerves, aqueous humor. And last one, vitreous humor. These are the main part from which eye is made: cornea, iris, pupil, lens, ciliary muscles, retina, optic nerves, aqueous humor and vitreous humor. We will see the function of these all the parts one by one. First of all we see about the cornea. Now, when light rays enter from any object, then the first part of the eye is cornea. They enter in our eyes through the cornea. Cornea is bulging outside. Light ray from any object enter cornea first. After the cornea, the next part is the iris. Behind cornea, there is presence of iris. Now, what is the function of iris? Protect the pupil. Protect the pupil and adjust the size of the pupil. This is the function of iris. Color of eye is due to the color of the iris. Now next part is the pupil. Suppose this is the cornea of the eye lens, first part. After the cornea, this part is iris. Now here in the middle one hole is there, and that hole is called the pupil. Understood? Small hole in the middle of iris is called pupil. Next function of pupil is control the amount of light enter in our eyes. This is the function of pupil. Now next part is lens, crystalline lens. Crystalline lens. This lens is transparent. This lens, and in previous chapter we have to see two types of lens. One is convex and other is the concave lens. But this eye lens is convex. It is a convex lens made up of jelly like material. This is about the crystalline lens. What is the next part? That is the ciliary muscles. Fifth one, ciliary muscles. Now what is the function of ciliary muscles? They hold eye lens in proper position. Hold eye lens in proper position. Again, second function of the ciliary muscle is to adjust the focal length of the eye lens. To adjust focal length of eye lens. These are the two functions of ciliary muscles. After ciliary muscle, there is a optic nerves. Sorry, one topic is remaining. After ciliary muscles, we have to see first retina, and after retina, there is a optic nerves. We will see about the retina. What is the retina? Retina is the last part of the eye. It is a screen of the eye where image is formed. On the retina, image is formed as our lens is convex lens. So, we get real and inverted image of any object. On the retina, we get the image. That image is real and inverted. Now, next part is optic nerves. Optic nerves. The nerves which are on the retina, which transfer or travel the message from retina to the brain. Message carry from retina to brain. Now, what is the message? Message means that any object which we can see, suppose this is a chalk, then this optic nerves send this message to the brain and brain interpret this message. Means brain understand what we have to see. Suppose you have to see mobile, then brain understand this is the mobile, human, birds, different types of colors. These are the optic nerves. One electrical signal is generated and that signal is carried from the retina to the brain and brain interpret all these messages. Next topic is aqueous humor. Space between cornea to eye lens is filled with transparent fluid. With transparent fluid, that is called the aqueous humor. Cornea to eye lens, that fluid is called it is the transparent fluid, that is called the aqueous humor. And last one is the vitreous humor. Last part, it is also a fluid. Vitreous humor. Now this vitreous humor is from the eye lens to retina. The space from eye lens to retina is filled with a viscous transparent jelly-like structure and that is called the vitreous humor. This all about this eye lens is asked for the 3 marks and you have to write like this one. Correct? Now we have to see diagram of the eye. Diagram of eye. This is the diagram of human eye. In human eye, this first part is a cornea. Cornea is the first part from where the rays from the object enter in our eyes. This is about the cornea. After the cornea, behind the cornea there is a presence of iris. This one is called the iris. In the center of iris, this one second part, in the center of iris small hole is there, that is called the pupil. Behind the pupil one transparent convex lens, that is called the eye lens. After the eye lens, this one is called the retina. On this retina image is formed. How image is formed? Always real and inverted image is formed on the retina. After the retina, these are the optic nerves. What is the function of these optic nerves? They carry message and from retina to the brain. These nerves are connected to the brain and carry message from retina to brain. Now between cornea to eye lens, between these two parts, cornea to eye lens, fluid is there, some type of fluid, that is called the aqueous humor from cornea to eye lens. and second fluid is the vitreous fluid, that is from the eye lens to retina. Here also one transparent jelly like fluid is there inside the eye, that is the vitreous fluid. The diameter of this eyeball is nearly about 2.3 centimeter. Correct? You have to draw this diagram also. Here we completed the topic human eye. Now next topic, is the power of accommodation of eye. Before that, we again take a look of human eye. Human eye is like a camera. What is the function of human eye? Like a camera. Diameter we already seen 2.3 centimeter. These are the main parts. See how you have to learn this. This is the IPL. IPL, you know the IPL. Now CIPL. C for the cornea, iris, pupil and lens. After that, ciliary muscles, retina, optic nerves, aqueous humor, vitreous humor. And you have to write about the cornea first. Cornea, any light rays coming from the object enters in our eyes from the cornea. After the cornea, iris are present. The color of the eye is due to the color of iris. Color of iris are different one. Suppose black. Some human being has a blue color and brown color iris are there. After the inside the iris, central middle part is the pupil. Correct? And these are the function of pupil. Then after one, that is the crystalline lens. Crystalline lens is transparent, convex lens is there and it is made up of the jelly like material. Next one, ciliary muscles. Around the eye lens there are the ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscle hold the lens in the proper position and function to adjust the focal length of the eye lens. Focal length we will see in chapter number 10. Retina, where image is formed, that part is called the retina. Optic nerves, they carry message from retina to the brain and brain interpret it, and these two types of liquids, aqueous humor and vitreous humor. In next video, we will see about accommodation of eye. Thank you.